City, the capital of East Nusa Tenggara Province, a city on the island of Timor which has diverse and charming natural wealth, various culture, and various language. Nusa Cendana University, Undana, located in Kupang City, East Nusa Tenggara Province, a university that plays an important role in developing the intellectual and social life of the people in East Nusa Tenggara. Founded in 1962, Undana became a center for higher education, offering various education programs in various fields of science, technology, humanities, social, and arts, with a focus on developing quality human resources. Faculty of Teacher Training and Education is one of 11 faculties in Undana, which play an important role in producing professional, high-quality, and innovative teacher candidates. In quality and able to compete at national and international levels. The Faculty of Teacher Training and Education Undana Kupang presents the Bachelor Degree Program, Indonesian Language and Literature Education. The Bachelor's Degree Program, Indonesian Language and Literature Education, is one of the first and the oldest education program at FKIP Undana. The vision of the Bachelor's Degree Program, Indonesian Language and Literature Education, is to produce prospective Indonesian language teachers who are competent, professional, have strong character, and able to compete in national and international competition with scientific capabilities in field of language, literature, and learning with innovative, creative, and productive ideas through culturally based and adaptive research toward era of Industrial Revolution 4.0 and 5.0. The Bachelor's Degree Program Indonesian Language and Literature Education mission are organizing education and learning that produce qualified prospective Indonesian language teacher, Indonesian language teacher for foreign speaker, author of literature, aspiring researchers, prospective editors, prospective journalists and content creator with national and international insight and ideas, innovative and adaptive within a cultural framework to increase humanist, pluralist awareness toward the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0 and 5.0. Executed educational research in the application of science and learning in the field of Indonesian language and literature in an innovative and adaptive manner with a national and international perspective, without cast aside culture as one of the philosophers of life toward the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0 and 5.0. Improve human resources and community development by utilizing the result of research in the field of Indonesian language and literature education and learning for the development of science and technology in the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0 and 5.0, launched by the government without cast aside cultural roots as the shaper of the nation character. In developing the quality of education, the Indonesian Language and Literature Education Study Program also has a journal that has been included in the Sinta category. There are the journals Lazuardi and Optimisme for lectures, and the journal Ekspresi Kata for students. The Bachelor's Degree Program, Indonesian Language and Literature Education, uses Indonesian National Qualification Framework Curriculum, which is outcome-based education with learning outcomes determined by SNPT into more specific elements, namely attitude, obedience to Almighty God, knowledge, By mastering the theories, concepts, and parameters of the scientific field of Indonesian language and literature education. General skills. Skilled and capable in field of Indonesian language and literature education. And certain skills. In the form of being skilled and mastering Indonesian language and literature education as prospective Indonesian language teachers, prospective BIPA teachers, authors of literature, aspiring scientific researchers, prospective journalists, prospective editors, and content creators. The Bachelor's Degree Program, Indonesian Language and Literature Education, produces graduates who are competent, professional, have strong character, and are able to compete in national and international competition with scientific capabilities in the field of language and literature. Following are some of the profiles of our graduates. Yeni Rahmawati Tohri, SPD, newspaper reporter at Pos Kupang Newspaper. Patricia Obekoro, SPD GR, Headmaster of Public Senior High School 2 Takari. Sylvianti Yoneng Growin, SPD, Headmaster of Public Junior High School 3 Amabi, Oeveto Timur. In creating an environment to support student development, the Bachelor's Degree Program Indonesian Language and Literature Education has facilities: classroom, lecturer's room, micro teaching lab, language laboratory, library, theater room, facilities for people with disabilities, sport field and sports centers, gazebo, national and international activities are carried out to improve learning experience, broaden global horizons, and strengthen the capacity of lecturer and student in the field of teaching and education. International seminars, applied linguistic landscape, with speakers from Turki and Timor-Leste. Merdeka Belajar Kampus Merdeka, activities in Timor-Leste. Student activities with the international organization, Plan International. 4. Research and service activities with the international organization, Save the Children. National Poetry Musicalization Competition. National Poetry Reading Competition. Arts Performance of Bulan Bahasa. NCT Cultural Park Theatrical Drama. Service activities from student organization of the study program. Sit-in learning program with students from University of Hamburg, Germany. The Bachelor's Degree Program Indonesian Language and Literature Education establishes collaboration between institutions that can provide a number of benefits for both parties, such as student and lecturer exchange, joint research, joint seminars, service collaboration, and curriculum development to build academic network and carry out education programs in order to enrich and strengthen the quality and integrity of education program in national and international arena as one of the characteristics of continuing develop and innovate. From collaborating with education institution, the Bachelor's Degree Program Indonesian Language and Literature Education also collaborate with several mass media, such as Radio Republik of Indonesia, 2. Television Republik of Indonesia, 3. Pos Kupang Newspaper, 4. Victory News Newspaper, and with the Language Office. The Bachelor's Degree Program, Indonesian Language and Literature Education, provides a forum for students who have the same interests, hobbies, and interests in a particular field of study, which is managed by the Student Association of the Bachelor's Degree Program, Indonesian Language and Literature Education. The Student Association of the study program is also a means for students to develop soft skills such as leadership, teamwork, and communication skills. The Student Association of the study program helps students to grow and develop holistically, both in the academic and non-academic. The following are the activities that are part of the work program of the Bachelor's Degree Program, Indonesian Language and Literature Education Student Association. Art activities in studio groups such as poetry, drama, parody, vocal groups, choir, and dance studios. Next is the sunset activity at the Bachelor's Degree Program, Indonesian Language and Literature Education, which is usually filled with open-air library activities and usually filled with books about literature. The Student Association of the study program, regular sport activities. The Student Association of the study program also holds seminar and workshop. Several community service activities. Several students also won awards. Bernardetta Anisaneo won first place in national level Undana PSM monologue. Sergio won first place in national level Undana PSM poetry reading. Relnidis Alfiana Guarante as NCT Student Representative Contingent in the National Poetry Writing Competition. With the support of Educate Campus facilities, the entire Undana academic community can meet their academic and non-academic needs. Facilities provided by Undana. A library with a comfortable reading room, providing various collection of books, journals, and electronic resources needed to support academic and research activities. A fully equipped computer laboratory is available to assist students in accessing information and conducting research. Hospital, which is one of the main choice for the community in getting quality health services in the Kupang City area, were active in social activities, disease prevention, health program, counseling, and other educational activities. Theater buildings and auditoriums that function as venues for seminars, graduation, and even a symposium. Sport facilities to support student recreation and health activities. Gym center. Hostel. And worship place. Environment of Undana reflects a dynamic, inclusive, and multicultural life. Located in a beautiful and strategic location, Undana campus provides a comfortable and inspiring atmosphere for students, lecturers, and administrative staff. Undana is designed with many parks and green open space that allow students to relax, exercise, or simply enjoy the fresh air between their academic activities. Modern buildings on Undana are designed with modernity and functionality to support the academic and non-academic activities for students, lecturers, and staff. Undana also organizes various cultural events combined with Undana's academic culture, such as traditional music performance, traditional dance performance, and cultural celebration, which enrich the experience of campus life and strengthen the sense of togetherness among the entire academic community. Undana campus is home for ethnic, race, cultural, and religious diversity in the embodiment of the nation culture of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika.
PB siap Kip Undana.